Prefer using your Google account to log in Befunky? Here's how to log into Befunky with just few taps. First, open the Befunky app or go to their website. On the login page, tap the Google icon. If you are already signed in to a Google account on your device, you'll see a list of your accounts. Just tap the one you want to use. If not, type in your Gmail address and password to log in. Google will ask you if you want to grant Befunky permission to access your basic info. Tap Allow. That's it, you are now signed into Befunky using Google. Your account is synced and you are ready to get creative. This is perfect if you use Google to log into most of your apps. It keeps everything simple and secure. Let me know, do you prefer signing in with Google or Facebook? If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.